Hi there, my name's Geoff Kersey and I'm a watercolour landscape artist and I run a website of online tutorials. I've been chatting to Diane, who runs your Facebook group Watercolour Beginners and Beyond, and I've got some really exciting news because over the next year we're going to be running 5 challenges and giving away 5 full annual memberships. As part of your membership you'll get access to over 130 tutorials plus one new one every 2 weeks. Each tutorial comes with a download pack that contains a line drawing, reference images and a materials list. And as part of your membership you get access to the members forum, and that's great really because it's like our own artist community where you can post your paintings, look at other members' paintings, help with advice and comments, etc. And I look into it as well and give my opinions. There's also the Ask Geoff section where if there's something you really want an answer from me for, you can post that on there and I'll certainly get back to you. And while we're running these challenges, we're offering an exclusive 20% discount to all members of Diane's Facebook group Watercolour Beginners and Beyond. So keep an eye out for these exciting challenges and I'm really looking forward to seeing some of your paintings.